of 4th year Electronics and Communication branch of Sri Swami Atmanand Saraswati Institute of Technology Surat, affiliated with Gujarat Technological University.
Today we will explain our final year project and its working.
Our final year project is Exoskeleton the Walkaway. It is an robotic suit which is wearable for human body. Let's see the every details of the project. An exoskeleton is the external skeleton that supports and protects an animal's body, in contrast to the internal skeleton which is known as endoskeleton. The best example is the human body. In popular usage, some kind of larger skeletons of animals which are known as the shells. Examples of the skeletal animals includes insects such as grasshoppers, cockroaches, crabs and lobsters. A powered exoskeleton, also known as a power suit, powered armor or exosuit, is a mobile machine consisting primarily of an outer framework worn by a person and powered by a system of motors or hydraulics that delivers at least part of their energy for a limb movement. Exoskeleton is an electromechanical device which is worn by a human operator to increase the physical performance of the wearer. The bionic suit which enables individuals with any amount of lower extremity weakness to stand up and walk over ground. Battery powered motors drive the legs. The suit also provides a mean for the people with as much as complete paralysis and spinal cord injury to stand up and walk.
This invention related to a self-contained power exoskeleton for a disabled person having any amount of lower extremity weakness to stand up and walk over ground. In particular, but not solely, the present invention related to robotic exoskeleton. Users suffering from paralytic problems with lower limbs is not even able to walk and stand up himself without use of any other assistive devices. They may be wheelchair mounted, lack of the movement of legs. A paralytic person leads to a number of complications with like a blood pressure or skin problems. Limb movement is the only way by which these complications can be avoided.
The project involved use of many hardware that were incorporated at different times and put together to achieve the final output. Let's see the every hardware in detail. Here we have a main processing board of the exoskeleton. We have used ATmega 128 microcontroller from ATmega series. The design of the board is done in Protel DXP software. Here we have 7 I/O ports and 2 communication ports. In this communication port, we connect servo motors controller, which are used to control the DC motors. We can also install the pattern file like walking, standing, sitting and other patterns in the controller chip through this port using GUI in the computer. In this port, we can connect the HID, which is used for the user to select the pattern or task for an exoskeleton. These remaining ports can be used for other expansion of the devices for the system in future.
Here we have servo controller circuit. It basically converts PMDC motor into servo motor. We have designed this circuit in the Proteus software. In this circuit, we have used ATmega 8 controller from the ATmega series. This is a communication port which is used for the communication between main processing board and the servo controllers. This is an address port. This port is used for give an address to the individual servo cards. This is a power supply and motor connector. This is a motor driver which is used to drive a PMDC motors. Its capacity is 30 amperes. Here we have 9-bit absolute encoder within resolution of 1 degree. We have designed this encoder within the combination of two softwares. First is CorelDRAW and second is Proteus. This encoder is attached on mechanical shaft of the motor and servo controllers via the gold-plated brushes. It sends the feedback of angular motions of the motor to the servo controllers.
Here we have human interface device. This device is connected with the main processing board using the FRC cable through this port. In this LCD display, the list of the patterns and tasks are shown to the user. User can select the pattern using this 3-way navigation switch, which is very easy to use. This board has a sound card IC, which produce the audio of every task, which is hearable from the speaker. We have designed our GUI graphical user interface file in Microsoft Visual Studio. Let's take a tour of this software. This is the environment of Microsoft Visual Studio. Here we can see the design window in which we have designed our GUI. This is the toolbox using which we can place the command buttons, text boxes and labels as per the requirement. This is the coding window in which we have coded every button and text boxes as per the requirement. Here you can see the connect button, the send button, the drop down menu of the selecting buttons, the labels of baud rate, stop bits, data bits and etc. and the text boxes of 1, 0. Here we can see the text boxes of hex, ASCII. It is very easy to make the GUI in Visual Studio and it is handy. We have programmed the 8 mega 128 and 8 mega 8 microcontroller in Atmel Studio software. Let's take a short tour of the software. This is the coding window in which we can do programming of the controller. Using the build solution command, we can create hex file. This is the output window. We can see the errors and warnings here. We have designed most of the circuits of hardware in Proteus software. Let's take a tour of this software. We can see the environment of the Proteus software here. This is the designing window. By using this button, we can implement the components on PCB as per the requirement. By using 3D visualization, we can see the 3D view of the design circuit.
This bionic suit will provide an extra strength to the handicapped person to stand up and walk. This will be beneficial for the soldiers who have lost their legs or ability to stand up and walk. This will help patients to relearn proper step patterns and weight shifting using a functional based platform. In this future expansion of this project, this suit can be modified as the power muscles. That type of new generation suit can be used for picking heavy weight loads and after wearing this new generation suit, soldier will be able to bring heavy loads with them and anywhere easily.